So I get a lot of questions about, do I need to sign up for Medicare? Am I automatically enrolled? Here's a lowdown on that. If you are on Social Security prior to the age of 65, right? If you took early, 62, 63, etc., you will automatically be enrolled into Medicare Parts A and B. You should receive your Medicare card about 3 months, 100 days before your 65th birthday. It comes in a nondescript envelope. Some people throw it away, so I definitely encourage you to check all your junk mail. And I know you get a lot of junk mail during those months, a lot of solicitations for Medicare. But you'll automatically be enrolled. They will automatically start deducting the Medicare premium, right, which is $185 in 2025. They'll automatically reduce that from your Social Security benefits the month of your birth. If you are not on Social Security and you are retired, right, let's say you stopped working but you still delayed your Social Security, you're living off investments because you want to get your full retirement, you will need to sign up for Medicare. And here's where you go to do it. You go to ssa.gov. Okay, and you're simply going to click sign up for Medicare. Pretty simple stuff. You click sign up for Medicare and you click apply online, and that's going to take you to this screen here. You have to read the terms, accept it, and you click start a new application. Okay, and then they're going to ask you a couple of basic questions. You're applying for yourself. Do you have a My Social Security account? No matter what you click here, yes or no, it's going to take you to the same screen. So we'll just click no for this example. And they're asking, do you have an address in the United States? Hopefully you do. And then you have these two options, sign in with login.gov or sign in with id.me. Either one is fine. They did add some new security features this year. They'll send you a link to your cell phone. You then have to take a picture of the front and the back of your driver's license, and then you have to snap a selfie of yourself. Once you go through those steps, it should allow you access to go ahead and apply for Medicare. They're going to ask you in the application, do you also want to sign up for Social Security? If you do, you would click yes. If you don't, you click no. You don't want to start your monthly cash retirement benefits. You just want to sign up for Social Security. A big mistake I see a lot is people, they'll ask you, do you want to sign up for Part B? And a lot of people would click no there, which is fine if you're still working and you're covered by your employer coverage. You don't need Part B. You can delay Part B. But if you're not working and you're not covered by a group health plan under your spouse, you do have to sign up for Part B. If you don't, you'll be penalized. So make sure you know what you want to click there on when they ask, do you want to enroll in Part B? And then it's pretty straightforward questions. The only tough one on there is what city and state are you born in? And I joke about that, but I've had a client who actually thought they were born in Indiana and they were born in Illinois, and it really delayed the application several months. So whatever's on your birth certificate needs to go in there. And then, like I said, you'll get an email saying thank you for applying for Medicare online, and then you wait, right? Sometimes the applications come back as quick as 7 days. Sometimes they take 8 weeks. So there's really no rhyme or reason there. We do recommend that you start early as possible, 3 to 4 months out. And if you need help with any of this, setting up your account, we'd be happy to meet with you via Zoom, phone, or you can always come into the office, and we'd be happy to help you get signed up for your Medicare benefits.